For our demonstration, we're going to go over requesting a delivery and then a delivery process of Jarvis. So on this page, we have our first name, last name, phone number, profession, floor number, room number, and additional comments fields. First, last name, and phone number in case we need to contact a person. Profession is not necessary. Floor number is in case we have multiple Jarvis units on multiple floors. Room number is, of course, so we know where to go. And then additional comments is where you would put the item that you want delivered. In our demonstration, we're going to use a water bottle. But it could be a cup of coffee or some other item like that. We submit this, and that gets pushed to our system where Jarvis will use Dijkstra's pathing algorithm to find the shortest path. And then here we see him start to navigate from one node to the next, where we're balancing a bottle of water for demonstration on top. And you'll see the balance plate jiggles a little bit. That's just to keep it in the center. It's using a PID control system so that it's constantly trying to keep that water bottle in the center. We have our ultrasonic sensor on the front, which is sweeping back and forth to make sure that we don't run into any objects. It measures to about 25 centimeters for this. We have the lower values because the lower values got less interference from the motors. And the motors are moving a little bit slower because they gave less interference when the lower voltage is going to the motors. And we have some filter capacitors on the motors as well, just to lower that electrical interference in the whole system. He's about to make a turn here, and you'll see the balance plate react a little bit because we have a different change in forces. And then he will continue down this hallway to what is Dr. Kovalchik's office, and he will stop near the door. We don't have him going directly up to the door because we don't want an object to be placed in front of the door, or if somebody happens to be going in and out of the door, we don't want them to end up tripping over him, so we have it outside the door. And then after he stops, it's going to go into how we have a provide feedback page, which will start now. And this here is just in case a user has any strong feelings or just wants to say, it went well, or if they didn't like something. That way we can constantly be improving Jarvis. And then after our provide feedback, we're going to show a little short video of when we placed Jarvis, intentionally having him where he would run into a bench. That way you can see him stop before he hits it, and that's what we have him doing, is he won't run into objects. That way we won't damage him or lose whatever object we have on top when there is an obstacle.